God's word tells us the attitude with which we must live our life. How do we understand attitude? You see, it governs the way we do things. Look at the attitude of John the Baptist. He is one of the great prophets, and there's no greater prophet than him because he's the last prophet before Jesus comes. Look at his attitude. I must decrease, he must increase. Now this governs everything that he says and does. It's always with this attitude. It's pervading. Look at the attitude of our Blessed Mother. I am the handmaid of the Lord. Be it done to me according to your word.